Okay, today I am going to be reviewing the HYLA vacuum, and I'm so excited to share with you just some honest feedback on this unit and my thoughts about bringing it into your home and hoping to create an environment that is safe and healing for your family. So my name is Alicia Banks. I'm an integrative health practitioner. I specialize in women's health, ranging from fertility to postpartum wellness. I'm also a children's health advocate, and honestly, there's nothing that I care about more than having a safe home for my kiddos to play in and for us just to enjoy. So for a very long time, I was focusing a lot on my own physical health and detoxes, cleanses, protocols to help with certain health concerns and ailments I was experiencing. But when I found the HYLA, I was most attracted to it because I knew it was going to serve my entire family. So the HYLA vacuum is really multi-purpose, so I will use it to literally clean everything in my home. And then after, what I'll do is run it as like air filtration. I will use the clean air that they have with it, and it smells so good. It's so refreshing. And honestly, this thing is just like a monster. Like, it is a beast. I have never experienced a cleaning unit like this before. And not just that, but I am not typically someone who gets really excited about cleaning. Just not my favorite thing to do. But since having this, I noticed I am cleaning a lot more and just more intentionally in my home. I even got myself set up on this bi-weekly schedule where I am doing a deeper cleaning and using the HYLA vacuum for that. And it is just unbelievable to see all the stuff that it picks up. So previously, I was just using a normal vacuum that you use, and I don't know, you kind of think that it's picking up the dirt, you think that it's picking up the debris. It looks like it, but in reality, everything is kind of just flying around, and you're left with that like unit that you dump out and it's just full of dust. Now, the difference with the HYLA is you use the water tank, so you will just fill this up here and you put the lid on it, and it literally works just like a vacuum, but it feels so industrial and it's really easy to use. This is like the part of the bottom unit, and then this is the top one, and it comes with multiple different attachments. So you can use it for your stairs, for your couch, for your beds. And truly, I have never experienced a vacuum like this. And I also never thought I would be so excited to share and talk about a vacuum. But back in 2021, I was dealing with some health issues, and I just knew that I needed to not just focus on my body, but focus on my home and just clean better. And so that's exactly what the HYLA has done. It has really helped me get this sense of peace in my home when it comes to cleaning. And honestly, when you see the stuff that it picks up, you are just blown away knowing that that was on your carpet, on your floors, that your kids were playing with it. And so I have really enjoyed this unit, and I feel like it is a great investment for your health when you are ready to get serious about cleaning. So I would definitely recommend this. I actually recommend this to my clients who are at that stage and they are ready to dive into their home, especially my clients who are dealing with possibly underlying mycotoxin issues or mold. And it is just a missing piece that I know for me I wasn't having, was taking better care of my home, cleaning my home better, and just really tending to the little things. And so yeah, I love the HYLA. I think it's awesome. I definitely recommend that you try it out and invest in your health, because it is so important for us to take care of that. And yeah, if you are looking to have a better sense of peace in your home and you are looking for a unit that is going to be multi-purpose, that is going to help you have clean air, clean floors, all the things, then I definitely would look into the HYLA unit. I will show you. This right here is the little this right here is the fragrance that comes with it, and it smells so good. I also can put essential oils in here, and when you're done vacuuming, all you're going to do is empty out the unit, and then you're going to add clean water back in. You're going to add the clean water back in here, and you're just going to let this run, and that will help to purify your air, and it actually picks up different debris as well.